It's a video here of Tara's beautiful scarves. And this is Amy's stuff here.
Itty bitty teacups.
Itty bitty what?
Teacups.
Itty bitty teacups. Here's some
Cream and sugar.
oh, that's right. Cream and sugar stuff. Oh, that's really neat. Itty bitty teacups. Oh, that's quite a teapot there.
Yeah.
Wow. And Amy. Oh, wow, the goblets are neat.
So wine goblets, bigger teacups, and another teacup.
Wine goblets, bigger teacups.
The door to the car is unlocked. Ricky's gonna grab me this thing.
Okay.
Oh, another teapot. Cool. It's Tara. And Tara's stuff.
Silk.
This is going on all weekend here at the Richbucto Tourism Center. Oh, some more stuff over here.
There's some looting.
Oh, pirate mugs. And oh yes,
Better than I should place it.
does this have a name, Amy? In the
That is the Audrey 3.
the Audrey
I
3.
need to get the joke.
I do. It's from Little Shop of Horrors.
The first person to get the joke.
Well, Ernestine lacing up the what is this, Amy?
Corset phase.
Corset vase. Very nice.
Corset, can't you see?
And this. Oh, what's this down here? Mushroomy. And get around here.
Rick, you met him. This is Amy.
Oh, that was.
Yes, that was. That's Louise.
Hi, Louise.
Hi.
Oh, cool. Little balm. This spaz won't bite you if you put your hand in it.
Ça c'est Rick. What's your Rick?
Yeah, it gets confusing, I'm sure, for some people.
Oh, no. It did.